Hi students, today's class, how to write the successor of each of the following, write the predecessor of each of the following. Okay, already I told you what is meant by successor. Successor means given number plus 1. 1 should be added to the given number to get the required answer. What is meant by predecessor? That means 1 should be subtracted from given number. Okay, remember that point. Successor means 1 should be 1 more than the given number. Predecessor means 1 less than the given number. To get successor, 1 should be added to the given number. To get predecessor, 1 should be subtracted from given number. Okay, let us see. What is the successor of? Successor. What is the successor of 6001? How do you read that number? 6001. 6001 plus 1 means 6002. 6002. Okay, 1 should be added to the given number. So you write the full form successor of second one 1099. 1099 plus 1. So what will you get? 1100. Right? 1099 plus 1. 1100. Okay? Third, successor of 12,749. 12,749. So 12,749 plus 1. So if I add 1 to that number, what do you get? 12,750. 12,750. Similarly, fourth one. Successor of 2,19,708. 2,19,708. 2,19,708 plus 1. 1 should be added to the given number to get successor. So 2,19,709. Is that clear? 2,19,709. Fifth one. Successor of 62,399. 62,399 plus 1. 1 should be added there. Right? So if I add 1 to this number, what will you get? 62,400. 62,399 plus 1. So 62,400. Okay? That is the way we do the problem. That is successor. Now what about predecessor? Look at first one. Predecessor of what is the given number? 99 equal to, what did I tell you? Predecessor means to get predecessor 1 should be subtracted from given number. So 99 minus 1, so 98. Next, predecessor of 1,305. 1,305. 1,305 minus 1. So 1,304. Is that clear? 1 should be subtracted. Predecessor of 32,000. So 1 should be subtracted. 32,000 minus 1. What will you get? 32,000 minus 1? 31,999. Isn't it? From 1,000 we should subtract 1. So 999. 31,999. Next. Predecessor of 1,65,000 equal to 1,65,000 minus 1. From 1,000 I will remove 1, means you will get 999. So 1,64,999. From 1,000, 65,000, no? From 1,000 I removed 1. So 1,64,999. Clear? This is the way we write successor and predecessor. Let us see third question. Third model we will see. See the third model. Write the whole number. Write the whole number whose successor is first one 100, second one 6,299, 71,650, 42,000. Okay, so look at this. First one, required number is equal to write the whole number whose successor is 100. Successor is given 100. To get the answer, what should you do? Predecessor of 100 you should take. What is predecessor of 100? 100 minus 1, 99. What is the successor of 99? 100. So 100 is given. Hope it is clear. Second one, try to think required number is equal to predecessor of what is given number here? 6,299. So 6,299 minus 1. So 6,298. What is the successor of 6,298? 6,299, it is given there. So to get the answer, what should you do? Predecessor of given number we should take. Okay. So they asked successive. Successor is asked. We are finding predecessor. So required number is equal to predecessor of what is given here? 71,650. So predecessor means what should you do? 71,650 minus 1. To get predecessor we have to subtract 1. So 71,649. Fourth one. Required answer is equal to required number is equal to predecessor of 42,000. What is predecessor of 42,000? 42,000 minus 1. That means 41,999. Should be careful with the numbers, okay? So this is one model. To get the answer, what should you do? Predecessor we should find. Okay. Now you see fourth one. Write the whole number whose predecessor is given now. Predecessor is given. We have to find fourth one. Successor 1,000, 3,189, 3,001, 8,000, 9,999. Okay. So to get answer, write the whole number whose predecessor is. First one, required number is equal to successor of 1,000. How do you find the successor of 1,000? Plus 1, no? 1,000 plus 1. So 1,001. Okay? 1,001. 1,001 predecessor is what? Minus 1. So you will get 1,000. Is that correct? So think of before doing. Think twice. Required number is equal to successor of 3,189. So what is the successor of 3,189 plus 1? 3,190. When we write the numbers carefully, okay? 189 plus 1, 190. Required number is equal to successor of 3,001. So how do you find successor of 3,001? 3,001 plus 1. So that equal to 3,002. Fourth, required number is equal to successor of 8,000. So how do you get successor of 8,000? 8,000 plus 1. So 8,001. Okay? Fifth. Required number is equal to successor of 9,999. So 9,999 plus 1 will be 10,000. Okay? So how do we write? Successor of 9,999, 10,000. So this is the way we do this. Okay? That is fourth one. one. Write down three consecutive whole numbers succeeding 72,597. So consecutive numbers means what? Side by side numbers. So three consecutive whole numbers are consecutive whole numbers. Consecutive means suppose 2, 3, 4 like that, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12. Three consecutive whole numbers are, how do we write? We have to add 72,597 plus 1, 72,598. Similarly, next number to get 72,598 plus 1. So 72,599. Similarly, 72,599 plus 1, 72,600. You see once, these are the three consecutive whole numbers: 72, 598, 599, 600. These three are the consecutive whole numbers. Okay. What is meant by natural numbers? Already I told you. What is natural numbers? Natural numbers are counting numbers denoted by n. Counting numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Least number is 1, greatest number not defined. What is meant by whole numbers? Whole numbers denoted by w and starts from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. In this, what is the least element? 0 and greatest element not defined. Next I told you integers. Integers are denoted by capital Z or I. I told you 0, positive integers. This side negative integers. Positive integers, negative integers, and 0 is neither positive nor negative. Remember that. Okay. Positive integers are natural numbers, both are same. Whole numbers starts from 0. Integers, all positive integers, negative integers including 0. Okay. We shall continue some more concepts in the next class. Thank you.